The secrets of the world's most beloved gem. I never really thought about where diamonds came from until my fiance and I started looking at rings together. We wanted to know the process that each gem went through before it sat in a ring on our hands. After doing some extensive research, we realized the diamond industry was hiding some dirty secrets behind their illusion of the world's most beloved gem. Even with regulations in place, diamond mining was significantly contributing to pollution, habitat destruction, and water contamination. Diamond mining depends on fossil fuels. In Canada, 1,400 hectares of land used for a diamond mine wiped out vegetation vital to one of the largest recorded caribou herds. The herd population dropped from 400,000 to 128,000 over the 26 years the mine had been there. And then, just this last July, a diamond mine in Angola leaked toxic waste into a tributary of the Congo River, killing 12 people, tons of fish, and at least 2 hippos. Because the mining of diamonds depends on fossil fuels, it's not a sustainable source. Not only that, but eventually we will run out of diamonds. The environmental destruction caused by diamond mining must be stopped. Let's take a look at the different methods of diamond mining. Open pit mining. Open pit mining involves removing layers of the earth to get to kimberlite, or where the diamonds are deposited. It involves a lot of land disturbance, air pollution, habitat destruction, and deforestation. Underground diamond mining. Underground diamond mining involves tunneling through the earth's surface to get to kimberlite forms. It involves a lot of land disturbance, water contamination, and costs a lot of money. Alluvial mining involves sifting through riverbeds and beaches where there are kimberlite deposits. It involves a lot of land disturbance and a lot of water pollution. While marine mining is a fairly newer technology, we do know that it involves a lot of seascape disturbance under the water. Large ships with mechanisms underneath them dredge the seabed or suck up gravel to get to the diamond deposits. After learning the processes and effects of these diamond mining techniques, we turned our attention to a lab-grown diamond. I had never heard of them before, but our jeweler suggested them as a more eco-friendly gem alternative. The 2 ways that lab-grown diamonds can be created are high pressure, high temperature, and chemical vapor deposition. High pressure, high temperature, also known as HPHT methods, involve a small seed of a diamond being placed under high pressures and high temperature with a pure graphite carbon piece. This is usually used for industrial production, involves fewer ingredients than chemical vapor deposition, and it's usually quite a bit faster than chemical vapor deposition. Chemical vapor deposition, also known as CVD, involves another seed of a diamond being placed into a carbon gas chamber and heated to a high temperature. This method is best used for gem production. We have more control over the process, and we can grow larger diamonds this way. So why choose lab-grown diamonds over mined diamonds? For one, it's cheaper. It's cheaper to create and it's cheaper to sell, so it becomes more affordable to everyone. It's a cleaner and safer option. There involves no land disturbance, and if green technology is used to create the diamond, there's no pollution involved in it either. It can be created using renewable energy, which will result in more green careers. Foundry Diamond, a San Francisco-based company, is using solar power to create lab-grown diamonds here in the USA. So work with me together in ending the environmental havoc that's created by diamond mining. Let's buy lab-grown diamonds that are created with renewable energy and reshape the gem buying process.